Hello everyone, welcome to SrinuTechGuru. I am Srinivas and I have 2 years of real-time experience in DevOps and cloud. In this video, I will show you a clear roadmap to become a DevOps and cloud architect in 2026. Okay, whether you are a student, fresher, graduate, admin, developer, or career switcher, this path will help you and this course is for you, everyone. Here, you will learn what to study, in what order, and how to grow step by step. Everything it will be there. So, this all are I'm going to let you know. Okay, one by one we'll discuss this all things. Okay, fine. So first we need to discuss about what is DevOps. First, let us understand DevOps in a simple way. DevOps is a way of working where development and operations work together. So Dev is nothing but developer activities, Ops is nothing but operational activities. DevOps is nothing but combination of developer activities and operational activities. Both together we can call it as a DevOps. The main goal is to build, test, release, and manage software faster without problems. Okay. A DevOps engineer automate the full software process from code to production. Okay. That is why apps like Amazon and WhatsApp can update smoothly without going downtime. I hope you understood. Now let us discuss Linux and shell scripting. Linux is a strong foundation of DevOps because most servers runs on Linux. Got it? We should learn files, folders, permissions, users, process, services, SSH, and many more. So as a DevOps engineer, how much knowledge is required for this Linux? I'm going to teach you. Okay. From beginning to end, whatever required things are there for DevOps engineer, I'm going to let you know. Okay. Then you should learn shell scripting to automate a daily task. For example, if you want to back up 100 files every night, a script can do it automatically. Okay. So Linux and shell script are the first real skills you must practice every day. I hope you understood. You know, this is a roadmap, right? This is very quickly. I'm going to finish this. Ultimately, you will get picture about DevOps and AWS. And in this entire course, what I'm going to teach you, everything you can understand. Got it? Now, let us discuss version control with Git. After Linux, the next important skill is Git. Git helps teams save code, okay, track changes, and work together safely. Okay, if something breaks, we can go back and older working version. It also helps multiple developers work on different branches without overwriting each other's code. In DevOps, everything is treated like code. So Git is must learn tool. So without Git, so if developers develop the code, obviously they'll face a lot of issues. Why? Because it is not organized the code proper manner. So by using Git, it will organize the code, and you can, whenever it may be, you can revert back the code. For example, version 1, version 2 will be there. So version 2 to version 1, if you want to revert back, so easily you can revert back. So your data will be secured, and which kind of changes you are doing, the complete track will be there. So whenever you want to revert back, you can revert back from second commit to first commit, something like that. So you can revert back. So you will not lose your data. Got it? I hope you understood. Now let us discuss with this one, build tools and artifact management. Now let us see what happens after developers write code. Okay, we use build tools like Maven to compile the code. Okay, run the test. Like different kind of tests will be there. Unit testing, integration testing, a lot of testing will be there. And after that, we can create the package called artifact. Before storing the artifact, we check a code quality using SonarQube. Okay. If the SonarQube finds serious bugs or security issues, the pipeline stops there. Here only it is going to stop. Okay. If the code is clean, we store the final artifact safely in Nexus Artifactory. It means here code will come. So developers once develop the code, they'll store into GitHub. So from GitHub to Maven, it will go to means here Maven what it is going to do, that the developer code it is going to compile it. Okay, it is going to do unit testing, integration testing, different kind of testing it is going to perform. After that, it is going to create artifact. That artifact it will go for it will go to SonarQube. SonarQube it is going to test the quality of code. Quality test it is going to do it. Quality test. Okay, lot of things it is going to do. So once the quality test is completed, if that code is good, then it will that artifact it will going to store into Nexus Artifactory. Okay. Here Artifactory is created, that it will go to SonarQube. SonarQube is going to do quality test. Once everything is good, then it is going to store into Nexus Artifactory. I hope you understood. I'm going to give you one more example. The same thing only. So with this example, what will happen? You can easily understand what is happening there. So see, in GitHub code it is coming, and Maven, here it is the building the code, like it is creating artifacts. That artifacts it is scanning through SonarQube. So once successfully it is scanned and is that artifact is good, then it will store into Nexus Artifactory. Got it? Now let us discuss CI/CD pipeline. Okay, CI/CD pipeline is the heart of DevOps. Okay, Jenkins automates the full process of build, test, scan, store, and deploy. Okay, when the developer pushes code, the code into GitHub, okay, what it is going to do? Jenkins start the job automatically. So for each and everything, it will be having some jobs. Okay, I think in Jenkins class you can understand what is meant by job and all those things. You can understand there. Okay. When a developer pushes code, Jenkins start the job automatically. It builds the code, checks quality, okay, and stores the artifact in Nexus Artifactory, and it deploys into Tomcat server. Okay, because of this automation, releases become faster, safer, and easier. Okay, now we'll discuss one more topic, that is Docker. Now let us talk about Docker. Many times code works on this one system but fails on another system. Why? Because so obviously it is missing like dependencies, a lot of things it is missing. Okay, so here Docker solves this problem by packing the application and all dependencies into one container. So application will be there, that application dependencies will be there. That all is going to store into one particular image, that is Docker image. Okay, so using the Docker image, if you run the container without any errors, it is going to run the application. Got it? This makes the application run the same way in development, testing, staging, and production. So Docker gives consistency, portability, and faster deployment. Now let us discuss about Kubernetes. Docker is great for containers, but managing many containers is hard. That is where Kubernetes comes in. Okay, Kubernetes manages containers automatically by restarting failed containers and scale when traffic increases. It means Kubernetes manages containers automatically by restarting failed containers. For example, something goes wrong with the failed containers. What it is going to do? Automatically recreate that failed container. Okay, and scaling when traffic increases. Okay. For example, during a big sale, it can create more containers to handle users. Okay, maybe Diwali festival sale or whatever, many festival sale. Okay, huge traffic is there, then automatically it will scale up. It will automatically scale the containers. Okay, when traffic drops, it removes extra containers and helps save money. Okay. Now let us discuss about Ansible. Let us say you have 100 servers and need to install software on all of them. Okay, 100 servers at a time you want to install. Is it possible? Normally, it is possible, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, doing that one by one takes a lot of time. Ansible solves this problem through automation. We write a simple playbook, and Ansible installs and configures everything in all servers. Okay, so very fraction of seconds it is going to run it. Okay, this makes server management This makes server management faster, easier, and more reliable. See, like hundreds of servers we can maintain from one location. Okay. So using Ansible, you can control all servers. Terraform is used to create infrastructure using code. Instead of creating servers manually in AWS, we write a Terraform code and build everything automatically. Okay, that means you can create servers, networks, and other resources in minutes. If you need to change something, just update the Terraform. Okay, if you need to do any changes, so you have to update the Terraform code and run it again. This is called infrastructure as code, and it is a key DevOps skill. Okay. Now we'll discuss about AWS. Now we come to one of the biggest skill in this roadmap, that is AWS Cloud. AWS gives us services to build secure, scalable, and production-ready applications. We will learn IAM for security, EC2 for servers, S3 for storage, RDS for databases, and load balancer for traffic handling. And we'll also learn autoscaling, CloudWatch, SNS, Route 53, Elastic IP address, EFS, snapshots, and Lambda, and moreover, whatever required other things also it will be there. Okay. These services help you design real-time cloud architecture for modern applications. In DevOps related all tools using AWS only, I'm going to install it. With that, what will happen? Real-time scenario, how it will be there, you can understand each and everything. Okay. So after DevOps, an application that the work is not finished. Okay, after deploying the application, the work is not finished. So why? Because so everything we configured, everything is missed. That artifact also is stored into that artifactory, like Nexus Artifactory, and using that artifactory, you created a Docker image. From the Docker image, you already created Kubernetes containers. Okay, just assume you created Kubernetes container. Fine. But if you want to watch the servers, how much CPU utilization is there, RAM utilization is there, the application utilization is there, everything if you want to check everything. So obviously what you need monitoring servers. Of course, related to Kubernetes, we will use Prometheus, Grafana, ELK stack. But here in our DevOps, here we will see using Nagios, how we need to monitor all those things. I'm going to teach you. Okay. So we must monitor servers and applications all the time. Nagios helps us check CPU, disk space, and website health. Okay, if something goes wrong, it sends alerts through email or message. Okay, this helps us fixing issues before user space downtime. Okay, before only we'll let you know. It will let us know. Okay. Now we'll see. In 2026, AI is becoming a big support system for DevOps engineers. Okay, AI tools can help you write scripts, understand errors, and save time. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity to solve problems faster. For example, in Jenkins shows a big error, so AI can help explaining this issue and suggest a fix. So learning how to use AI smartly is also part of your growth. Okay, I'll let you know in our classes using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini AI. So how we need to work on DevOps related DevOps related tasks and all those things. I'm going to let you know that. But learning tools is important, but getting job also need preparation. Got it? You should build projects, create strong resumes, practice interview questions, and upload work to GitHub. Got it? This is how companies trust your skill. If you want full step-by-step guidance, you can join my 60 days DevOps with AWS and AI bootcamp. Okay. Here in detail it will be there. See, this is just roadmap. That's why very basic way I explained you each and everything. Okay, but if you want more information about it, so in my YouTube channel you can find DevOps in AWS means the complete DevOps demo in English as well as Telugu, but in detail explanation is there in that. So there you can understand, okay, more about it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next class. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and comment it. And also you can share it to your well-wishers, friends, relatives. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.